In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Notion databases together. If you've ended up with two separate databases in Notion and want everything in one place. The good news is that this is a pretty straightforward process. The main thing to understand is that Notion will only merge your data cleanly if the properties in both databases are set up the same way before you move anything. So the first part is all about preparation. Start by opening both databases and reviewing the properties, which are the column headers across the top, for the data to transfer properly without creating unnecessary new columns. The properties need to match exactly in both name and type. For example, if one database uses a text property, the matching property in the other database also needs to be text. The same goes for date, select, multi-select, and any other property type you are using. As you compare the two databases, manually rename the properties so they align perfectly. Even small differences in naming can cause Notion to treat them as separate columns. If you are using select or multi-select properties, take an extra moment to make sure both databases have the exact same tag options as well. This helps keep your entries organized and avoids inconsistencies after the merge. Once your properties are aligned, move on to the database you want to merge out of. This is the database whose entries will be transferred into the destination database. Select all the rows or pages by clicking the checkbox in the top left corner of the table. If your database contains more than 50 items, click Load More so everything is visible and included in the selection. With all the entries selected, click the six-dot icon next to any of the selected rows. From the menu that appears, choose Move To. Then search for or select the destination database where you want all of the entries to go. Notion will then move those pages into the other database. After the move is complete, open your destination database and carefully verify that everything transferred correctly. Notion will merge items into matching properties when the names are identical, and it will create new columns for any properties that were unique to the moved database. This is why checking your setup beforehand is so important. Once you've confirmed that all of your data is present and organized the way you want, you can safely delete the now empty original database. And that's it, you've successfully merged your Notion databases together.